ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3.5. GPT 3.5 is an advanced version of the GPT series, which uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT is designed to engage in conversational interactions with users. It can understand and generate text in a wide range of topics, making it useful for various applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and language translation services. It has been trained on a diverse range of internet text, providing it with a broad knowledge base. The model uses a transformer architecture, which is a type of neural network that can process and generate text in a highly parallelized manner.